I bet you've seen all sorts of ways to make money with AI, right? AI storytelling, children's books, and characters. But it feels like it's always the same old ideas, which worked months ago, but are now saturated. What if I told you there's an AI tool out there with an untouched opportunity that many are missing out on? A method so effective that even the biggest YouTuber of all time is using it. And if you learn it now, you'll be ready when it takes off. I'm talking about AI lip syncing. Yes, the art of making video content universally accessible and engaging, no matter the language of your audience. And the best part? It's all free. At the end of the video, I will reveal 3 methods in a free step-by-step guide to make money using this tool, available as a PDF, so make sure you stick around to grab it. First, we need to gather our video material. I bet you know how to download a YouTube video, so I won't waste your time showing that. We'll jump right into the magic. Go to wondershare virbo and create a free account, giving us 2 minutes of free creation. Once you're logged in, simply upload the video you want to translate. Remember, the better the quality of your original video, the better the outcome. If your video is too large, as Virbo only allows up to 5 minutes, simply open a video editor of your choice and cut the video into bite-sized pieces, then edit them together. For the sake of this tutorial, I will choose a classical Logan Paul video for demonstration purposes, but you can obviously recreate it with whatever video you would like to. Imagine a famous podcaster, YouTuber, or celebrity. The original video language is English, but you can choose from all these options. Basically, every major language is included. Then you select the target language you want to receive. Here as well, you can choose from a vast selection and target all these audiences. Pro tip, start with a language you are familiar with, so you can ensure the clip you receive is the perfect fit. Now, because I want you to create professional-looking clips, open the advanced settings. The key feature we want to activate each time is lip syncing. This is even more advanced than in normal movies. Maybe you've noticed how off certain translations are, like here.
Perdona, mi tío Tony está en el hospital muy enfermo.
But with this tool, it looks perfect. Here, you can also activate subtitles to get easy subtitles right into your videos without additional steps. However, I would suggest editing them later in your editor of choice because you will have more options to customize them. I will show you how to do it later. Another major function you need to use is proofreading. We are still dealing with different languages, and each language has its own style of phrasing. You can tell if a native speaker said it or not. So here, we can change the text to what the person is actually saying. When the processing is done, you can simply download the video. Here is the original version versus the lip-synced one.
And I don't expect to be forgiven. I'm simply here to apologize. Und ich erwarte nicht, dass man mir verzeiht. Ich bin einfach hier, mich zu entschuldigen.
As mentioned before, I would suggest enhancing the quality of the clips by opening them in the editor of your choice. I will use CapCut because it is by far the easiest to use. Upload the clip and drag it into the timeline. Now click on Captions, choose Automated Captions, and select the language. It will process the captions for you. You have all the additional features to apply, and you can test what looks best. I like these options the most. After that, we can apply filters, add effects, or edit the clip even more to increase its potential to go viral. Now just download the video you created and let's start making cash. Method 1. Use these translated shorts and upload them on your own. TikTok Beta Creativity Program is giving away tons of money with RPMs over $6. YouTube is trying to keep up and doubled their prices from the beginning of the year. Short-form content is on the rise, so create your own page and start posting. Since the content is translated and presents a whole different sound, you won't have monetization problems. Method 2. Fiverr. People are opening gigs on Fiverr, selling these for up to $100 per gig. And the best part? For some keywords, you have such low competition. So, I advise you to create a Fiverr account and open a new gig. It's a passive flow of potential customers. I want to give you the most value out of the video, so I wrote down title and description templates, as well as keywords to use, to stand out from the competition, which you can steal from the link below. I made some research, and for lip sync, only 200 offers are available. This is nothing for Fiverr. Usually you have competition of over 2,000 gigs, so master the skill and leverage it. But obviously it's hard to start from scratch on Fiverr due to your new account, so this should not be your only setup. Method 3. Reach out to YouTube channels you like and offer them a translation service. You can go to any YouTube channel's About section and find their contact email address. Take a viral clip of the YouTuber, translate it and lip sync it, then write them an email or slide into their social media DMs and send them the video you made for free. This way, you deliver value without asking for something in return, and you can offer to create a German channel for them and share the revenue. So they basically don't need to do anything. You use their videos and can make easy money while collaborating with a big YouTube channel. To show you that there is demand for this and that it actually works, just look at the biggest YouTuber of all, Mr. Beast.
Renuncio. a subir videos en este canal.
He has plenty of other channels for different languages, and they all grew massively. I've linked wondershare virbo below, as well as the Fiverr setup for you to follow along. Subscribe so you don't miss future opportunities.